It's a special Intense 5. What were our special Sumfest moments? Beanie and Bounty. But more specifically, the part where Bounty told Beanie he already took an angel from him and won't be taking another.
Romaine bringing that little girl on stage. Extremely powerful song.
Yup. Dalton Harris giving the fans what they never expected. His voice is amazing and I think everyone was shocked. What?
Spice, my girl, made it hot and she made it snow. She is just a great performer. But how come Shelly Belly never called up Sanjay on the stage?
To dance!
To dance, right?
Boy, and finally holding the spot this week, Protege, featuring Lila Ike, Savannah, Chronix, Agent Sasko as well.
Jessie Royal.
Yes, it was such a great performance. They needed to have a longer set, trust me.
For sure.
Yeah, it was amazing. And when Lila Ike kick out in it, I was like, yes, girl!
Yes.
That's it for our special Sumfest Intense 5. What were your favorite Sumfest moments? Send us a DM on Instagram at TVJ Intense.